Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. Today we're going to show you how to replace a dryer drum belt for a Frigidaire dryer. It's a really easy job that only requires a Phillips head screwdriver, a putty knife, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you're going to get one new dryer drum belt. The reason why you'd be replacing a dryer drum belt is if there's squealing during use or if the drum assembly doesn't turn at all. Use a putty knife to release the two retaining clips that hold the top panel in place. Then tilt back the top panel and rest it on something secure. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that retain the front panel of the dryer cabinet. Afterwards, firmly pull the front panel forward, which will release it from the retaining clips. Disconnecting the door switch allows you to completely remove the front panel assembly. Note the location of the two door switch wires. Then use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the two wires. Lift up and then remove the front panel and set it aside. While you can reach under the drum assembly to access the belt tensioner, for many it might be easier to release the belt through the rear access panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that retain the access panel to the dryer. Afterwards, remove the access panel, pull back on the belt tensioner, and then remove the belt from the motor pulley. With the belt removed from the tensioner assembly, you can now remove the belt from the drum. Here's the old drive belt next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new drive belt around the drum assembly. Remember that the rib side of the belt faces towards the drum. Put the drive belt on the motor pulley, then reconnect the belt tensioner assembly. Once the new belt is installed, you can start reassembling the dryer. Reinstall the rear access panel, and then thread in and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Reinstall the front panel, making sure that the small openings on the bottom of the panel align with the two metal tabs on the dryer cabinet. Reconnect the two wires to the door switch. In our case, the gray wire goes in the middle, the blue wire goes on the side. Afterwards, lift up on the top of the dryer drum, then tilt the panel all the way into position. Once the panel is in place, thread in and tighten the two Phillips head retaining screws. Lower down the top panel and then push on the front edge to engage the two retaining clips. Afterwards, reconnect the power cord and then you can take the dryer for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.